This is Antananarivo, the rapidly growing and sprawling capital of Madagascar. Around 2/3 of the 1.3 million population lives in poorly built housing with limited access to water and sanitation services. Rapid urbanization is causing a serious challenge for city authorities. How can they provide safe water for all the low-income residents of the city? This is not just an issue for Madagascar. As urbanization gathers pace across sub-Saharan Africa, it is an issue that city leaders across the continent are grappling with. The Coca-Cola Africa Foundation and Water and Sanitation for the Urban Poor are working together to address this challenge and enable cities to provide safer and more reliable water services to low-income residents.
Fiara-miasa tamin'ny Fondation Coca-Cola Afrika dia efa nanomboka 5 taona lasa zay ary nisy dingana 3 notanterana tao anatin'izany ary nahafahana nanokana foto-drafitr'asa fiambonana miisa 100 ao anatin'izany pompon-drano 420 sy fanasan-damba 920. Ankoatran'ny fanamboarana foto-drafitr'asa fiambonana dia nisy fanamafisana fahaiza-manao sy fiara-miasa niaraka tamin'ny jirama amin'ny fifehezana ny rano vokarina ho an'ny mponina. Ao anatin'izany ny fampihenana ny rano very izay nahafahana namaty sy rano foto-drafitr'asa maro samihafa.
Since its inception, the partnership has worked across 6 countries. And in Madagascar alone, the partnership has empowered the city to improve water access for nearly 400,000 individuals, more than 1/4 of Antananarivo's population.
Nanarako raha miara-manana hery mahasolo ny fiantsonana mahasolo. Talohany mbola tsy nisy borna fontaine ty dia tany ambany andrefana zay naka rano tany anaty lavadrano. Tsy dia madio le rano ka nanana fahasahiranana kely zay satria rehefa isotro rano dia tsy maintsy manadio na mampangotraka rano zahay vao afaka misotro avy hatrany. Dia lavitra koa le fatsakana ka sahirana zay amin'ny fangalana an'le rano isan'andro. Fa ankehitriny kosa zay fa manana an'ity borna fontaine ty dia nanana filaminana.
In addition to the construction of facilities like this, the partnership has strengthened the ability of the national utility, Jirama, to manage the city's water, further improving water services for residents.
Fiara-miasa dia nifantoka indrindra tamin'ny fahaizana ampifehana rano very dia nazahoam-bokatra zany satria le rano very lasa mivadika vola. Dia ny vola tamin'izany dia nahafahana nahazoana fitaovana.
The partnership will continue and expand these activities to Tuliar and Mahjong with the support of additional partners, eventually bringing water and sanitation services to a cumulative total of 850,000 Malagasis through 2020. Across Africa, the partnership is expected to contribute 25% of the Coca-Cola Africa Foundation's Replenish Africa Initiative 6 million goal by reaching more than 1.5 million people with improved water access, sanitation and hygiene services. The partners are proud of what has been accomplished so far and look forward to expanding their collaborations to support city leaders in providing one of the most important building blocks of equitable urban life: clean and safe water that is affordable to all.